What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As we can see, the market is currently down like crazy. So, without even wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into the chart because everyone must be asking, okay, is it this Sunday dump something to be taken serious or not? So we shall be diving straight into the chart right now. So diving straight into this the market right now, you might be asking, okay, why is Bitcoin price going down today, which is Sunday? Because Sunday prices shouldn't be taken seriously. So you could see Donald Trump's and Iran, the US and the Middle East issue, because Trump's Iran ultimatum triggers 232 million liquidation cascade in crypto markets, which sheds 45 billion in 30 minutes. So, that was a lot of capitulation within the last probably 12 hours, I guess. And Bitcoin price dropped nearly 2,000 naira in under 30 minutes on Sunday after President Donald Trump threatening to strike Iran's power infrastructure unless Tehran reopen the Strait of Hormuz within 48 hours. So this back and forth going on between Iran and US is definitely something looking like long term, looking like probably the whole of 2026 before it can be de-escalated completely. So which sent shockwave through sent a shockwave through the global risk assets, excluding stocks for now, because as you can see, the stocks are kind of closed. The price of oil has not still hiked till Monday, so there will be a lot of volatility on Monday. You could see S&P 500, it has not opened. Gold still looking stagnant for now. So it is only the crypto side of things that you can definitely see how things are playing out, because as you can see, the world's largest cryptocurrency slid to $69,141, because as you can see right now, Bitcoin is currently at $68,644. So that is nearly down like roughly 3%, right now. And as this threat is coming, is going back and forth with the US and the Iran regarding this Strait of Hormuz kind of stuff. So I think at the end of the day, we all have to realize that sorry about that. At the end of the day, we all have to realize that we definitely need to stay risk off right now. The market right now is in a risk off zone, because if you look at the chart right here, as you can see, if you look at the chart right now, you could see clearly right here that we have clearly retested this area of support right here. I made it known to us that we have major support or trend line, and I made it known to us that if we eventually break below this area of support right here, we are most likely going to be retesting it and dumping all the way down to, if not 66,500, we could drop all the way down to 65,700. And you could see this is playing out perfectly, because from the 4 hours time frame, all we need is the confirmation candle on the 4 hours time frame to close, because the moment this closes, it solidifies the fact that Bitcoin is ready to take another turn to the downside. So without even wasting so much of your time right here, you could see it clearly that Bitcoin is already bearish. The only way I can say that Bitcoin is most likely going to probably be bullish is if Bitcoin reclaims this breaks this resistance right here at $69,668, reclaims it, finds support around here, and breaks above this 71,400 or 500 level. This is where I can say that yes, Bitcoin is actually war-proof. Yeah, Bitcoin has finally decoupled from the whole news, the whole fundamentals, which is not possible. Which is definitely not possible. The chances of that happening is close to 1%. So right now, I would say the fundamentals really has a great impact on crypto, especially Bitcoin. And once that impact is there, we definitely have to see altcoins also pulling back. So right now you could see Bitcoin is actually down. All we just need is the next 3 hours, 21 minutes or 20 minutes roughly. We are most likely going to see a bearish close on this 4 hours candle, which we definitely signify the confirmation for Bitcoin to actually start pulling back further into this level right here. So where things might have to get worse than you think, that things might probably get, things might not be that bad, things might not be that serious, is whereby we end up seeing Bitcoin breaking above this major support right here at 65,600. Because the moment Bitcoin does that and probably tries retesting this level, because as you can see, there's also another trend line right here. If Bitcoin breaks below this level, retest 66,600 and doesn't reclaim it, we are most likely going to be heading all the way down to $58,000, guys. Because you could see clearly right here that we also have another major support right here, which you could see we've actually tested this level for like 3 times. So just for you to take note of that. So without even wasting much of your time, if we dive straight to the other chart right here, we could also see that Bitcoin has also gotten rejected from this support. I kind of placed this support yesterday because I knew that okay, there was some kind of resistance around here. If you can see around 69,127, that was a very good resistance around there. So I kind of place that there because I wanted to see if we're most likely going to be breaking out, and we didn't. So right now it's so obvious that we are getting back to back lower lows and lower highs on Bitcoin, which is definitely not good. So I don't want to go to the price of oil, the price of gold, stock right now, because I've already touched on those stuffs in my previous videos, and right now those stuffs are not in motion right now. Those assets or commodities, they are obviously not in motion right now. So I think this is definitely going to be it right now. Moving to next week, I really don't know what to say other than the fact that Bitcoin is still very bearish. So it's best to stay risk off than to stay risk on in the market right now. So I think it's best to be bearish until probably there is an opportunity or there is an event that takes place whereby we'll end up saying yes, the market is actually looking bullish, because probably the Clarity Act will definitely come into play, and you could see tokenization hearing confirmed, Clarity Act stablecoin deal done. So the stablecoin deal done, in principle, big week for crypto. Now no one knows if the Clarity Act will be talked about this week, but two things happened in Washington this week that the crypto industry has been waiting for years for, and they arrived at the same time. So the House Financial Services Committee has scheduled a hearing titled Tokenization and the Future of Securities, Modernizing Our Capital Market, for Wednesday, which is on the 25th of March 2026 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, I guess. Blockchain Association CEO Summer Messinga is among the confirmed witness. So the hearing, first reported by Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terret on X, we will bring together lawmakers and industry voice to formally examine how tokenization fits into the future of US financial market. So all this news here and there, they won't really make much difference, because at the end of the day, it is definitely the fundamentals that is definitely the big elephant right here. So the huge determinant of where the market is definitely heading to, or the direction of the market as a whole. So this is basically all I can say for now. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.